Let's take a last ride on the Scenic elevator at the SEARS and Roebuck store. Since it is closing in March, sadly, it is a 2001 Schindler 300A. Hope you enjoy the video and subscribe. Here we are at the Scenic elevator at the SEARS and Roebuck at Polaris Fashion Place in Columbus, Ohio.
Oh my god, it's glass.
L1. Let's look out the window. It's the Scenic elevator. I took the Scenic route. Here are one. Takes forever to level. My gosh.
It's like the size of the glass elevators in the airport.
You too? Oop.
Hey.
What? Let's see. Oh, found shut on someone. Let's look out the window. Installed in 2001. It's very depressing to see another Sears go. It's so depressing to see one after another close.
Come on up.
Now we'll look for the internal elevator after this. That's it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to O's Elevator Fan 102. Oh, and rest in peace, Schindler elevators at Sears, 2001 to 2019.